Hey guys, how are you? So today we're going to test this Hoover smartwash for pets. I've wanting to clean my carpets and I've decided, let's try Hoover. Let's see if this is worth the hype and worth the investment. This is $699 if you get it from hoover.com.au, and it comes with a 6 weeks of formula. So now I'm just opening the box, and this formula actually spilled. You can tell it from the box. I don't know if they open it in customs or not, but one of the formula, the big one, was actually open when I got it. So this, I'm just removing all the attachments and containers. So this is the water container, and then that one is for the bristles. So if you need to like spot clean, you can use that. And then the box came with the solution. They're very small solution, so if you're not gonna get the 699 one, you're left with those two small bottles, and it's only good for one use, those small bottles. And then this is the goodie bag, which is really good because it comes with a hanger, so you can just hang it. And what's inside are the other attachments. That's the hose if you're going to use it for stairs or for upholstery, for spot cleaning. And then this attachment is really nice because it's rubberized, so it lifts the pet hair. And then I'm trying to fit in the small bristles, but it actually doesn't go there. It goes with the other one. So I'm just, testing everything out and see how it's gonna work. That's the one where the attachment goes. You can replace it with the bristles, and then you can replace it with the rubberized one. So that's for small area, which is really nice. So if you're the one who still haven't decided if you're gonna get which carpet cleaner you're gonna get, if you're gonna go with Hoover or Basil, then I suggest that you watch this video. I have a Basil spot cleaner, but it doesn't really remove the stain for me. It only lifts, the smell from my carpet, but it doesn't really, does a good job. This Hoover though has a spot cleaner. You can actually, not the spot cleaner, that's actually the spot. Now I'm just, removing everything from the box. That's the dirt tank. When I open the lid, there's actually a little bit of, problem when I open the lid. One of the thing that's on the underneath that lid actually came off, but I was just able to put it back very easily, so it's not a biggie. And yeah, just keep on watching this video, and hopefully this will help you decide which one to get, if this Hoover smartwash bed is worth the investment and if it's worth the hype or not. So here I'm just using the spot chaser one. I'm just putting solutions on top of all the stains in the carpet, and because they said it's going to help lift those stains up. So this is what I said earlier, when you're not gonna get the 699 one, because the solution that came with the box are very small. So this spot cleaner solution will only last you one carpet, especially if you have like a heavy stain carpet. So me being first timer, I don't know how to do it. So I just, roll it, and I'm like, I don't know how to start this one. But you just press that red button there, and then it'll start for you. And if you can see, once you hit the start button, there's actually a light that says wash and dry. So if you move forward, it's gonna wash it for you. And then when you start moving backwards, it's going to start drying it for you. It's actually got a heat at the bottom that helps drying the carpet for you. And if you're done with washing, like if you don't want any more solution added or any more product added, you just remove the solution from the back of the machine, and then it will just wash it with water. And then when you're done washing, you just press the button. There's a button there on the machine. You just press that dry only button, and it will just dry the carpet for you even if you move forward and backwards. So which is really handy, and it's very easy, but you have to go slower than what I'm doing now, because I was like treating it like a regular vacuum. But if you go really slow, it'll wash the carpet for you. And you can already tell the difference from, when I started it, and look at, where I've passed the vacuum. Like there's a huge difference already. Look at how much dirty water in my tank is, and how dirty this carpet is. This is not even like a year. It's only been here for 3 months, but because I've got two dogs that constantly goes out in the backyard and comes in here, and then they've done their pee here as well. We tried to clean it, but just it, with the basil spot cleaner, it doesn't dry, so you have to wait till it goes dry. The suctioning power as well of this Hoover machine is excellent. Like it has lifted even the hair from the carpet has been lifted as well. So it's also got those two bristles. I've actually shown it a little earlier that it's got two bristles, which actually helps, with cleaning and lifting all those pet hairs and dirt from the carpet, which is really nice. I just want to show you how dry it is after I've used the dry only one, and then the other one that hasn't been dried. So you can really tell from the paper towel, it's really dry. Like it only took half an hour to dry it. That's how fast it is. It could have been, it could have been less than half an hour because I've tried it after half an hour just to be safe, but it was that quick. So here I'm just putting the spot cleaner attachment together because I just wanted to show you, if you want to spot clean a specific spot, then it's also got the attachment for it. And so you can use the spot cleaner one for it if it's like a heavy stain, or you don't have to. So this is the other room. This used to be the room for our two dogs and their litter. So you can really see the carpet is super duper dirty. And I've tried using the Bissell spot cleaner, but it just didn't lift the stain and made it really messy. And this is the other room adjacent to that. And we're also going to tackle that. I didn't remove any of the furniture. It's only where the spot was where I tried to clean and use the Hoover vacuum. So here I'm actually removing the pet hair from the carpet. I'm gonna show you that's how much. Actually, it actually took a lot, more than what I've shown you. I've vacuumed this carpet beforehand, so that means my vacuum is the suctioning power of my vacuum is not that great, although it has lifted a lot of pet stains. But this Hoover carpet wash is just amazing. Now look at this carpet now. OMG, I cannot believe it. I never thought I can lift those things since it's been there for years, and I've tried and tried and tried and just couldn't do it. Now we're gonna try the other room, but this time I'm not gonna vacuum it beforehand. I'm just gonna go straight in with a Hoover vacuum and let's see how it's going to work. So in this room, we've tried it without pre-treating the stain and without vacuuming the carpet first. And you can really tell that, Hoover vacuum is really having a hard time cleaning it, but you can tell that it's trying its hardest, to clean it and to lift those stains up. So I wouldn't really advise doing that. I would suggest that you pre-vacuum it. I was able to pull a lot of pet hair from this carpet, but I wouldn't really suggest not vacuuming it first and pre-staining it before doing this, because it just made it really muddy. Although it has, cleaned the carpet and lifted the stains, but it took me a while. Maybe it took me a good solid 1 hour, just cleaning that small area, because it was just really messy. I was able to clean it. I just have to keep on changing, my dirty water tank and keep adding water. I didn't have to add any more solution, which is really great, because the Hoover carpet cleaner, they mix the solution and water for you, so I didn't really have to replenish my solution. But the clean water and the dirty water, I have to keep on changing it, and I have to clean the bristles every now and then as well, because like what I said, I didn't pre-vacuum this carpet. So then, it's expected that I'm gonna leave a lot of pet hair, but I was really happy how it turned out. Like, it's actually really clean. You can't really tell because there's a lot of shadows from the photos that I took, but it was really clean and it smells really good. And it's already dry. So just the shadow. I really love how it turned out. My husband also used the spot cleaner, the Hoover Smart spot cleaner with our lounge, and it has lifted a lot of pet hair, and it has cleaned and it made it smell really good. You can tell from the dirty tank just how dirty the lounge is, because it's been there for many years, and especially we've got 2 dogs. So if you're gonna ask me if I would suggest this, yeah, and I would say yes, I would highly suggest that you get the Hoover Smartwash Pet Complete Automatic Carpet Washer, especially if you have fur babies at home. You will benefit from it. It's worth the investment. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Until next time, guys, you can get this carpet cleaner from hoover.com.au, and you can also get it from Amazon. Thank you guys and have a great day. Bye.